I'm doing something. Normally I did something, this time I'm doing something. Okay, so this is what we're doing. YouTube, Sippie Couture YouTube channel, as of right now, February 1st, is at 7,426 subscribers. That is crazy. And the fact that 10,000 is even a possibility is something I would have never dreamed of. And I love helping you guys. So I'm going to help out big time when we get to 10,000 subscribers. It could happen overnight. It could happen in a month. I have 5 months. I have no idea. But as soon as we get to 10,000 subscribers, I am giving away an Explorer Air 2. My heart is racing. Mr. Nola Speed Dry, my favorite epoxy. I have to give you this because it's my favorite. Dino's Turner. They are amazing. Everything they make is just amazing. So we're giving away some Turners. And if I can get my hands on some of those honeycomb inserts that I'm obsessed with, you're getting that too. You're getting some glitter. And every little bit of everything that I can scrape up between now and 10,000, you guys are getting. Sticky sheets, glitter, epoxy, a Cricut, a freaking Cricut Explorer Air 2, a Turner. There will be tumblers in there. Like, you're gonna have a whole set. I'm not giving you a computer. Figure that out on your own, guys. Sorry, we're not quite there yet. Maybe one day, but not right now. So no computer or iPad for you. But all this other stuff and more, not just this stuff, and more, you're gonna get. So let's get to 10,000. Let's push to 10,000. Let's see who wins. Basically a company startup. Pretty much their own little Turner business startup. I'm excited, guys. Come join us. Again, it is Sippie Couture. YouTube. My legs are burning because I'm squatting down. I'm such a nerd. See y'all soon. Let's get to 10K. Holy moly. Bye, guys.